On 9 September, encroachment of wild jumbos in a human-habited region at Kuligaon, falling under Eastern Division Bakajan Forest Range, Borjan had ignited the spark of fear as 2 shops was totally demolished by the wild elephants. Locals resident informed that the incident had taken place at early dawn on 9 September when 4 wild elephants stepped out of the forest region and encroached the village site, destroying 2 shops at the village. This had ignited the spark of fear among the villagers as well as the shop owners, as they are now anxious and helpless at the moment. One of the shop owners who had lost his shop to wild elephants informed that as many as goods worth ₹2 lakhs comprising from both the shops was lost. And there was no loss of life in the incident. Forest Department haven't arrived at the scene to look into this matter at the time of filing this report.
Labangso dukan along direct alang ala ingna ratung bang pen ladak cubom phangho bom mahu bang halapu paraya dukan alang litum bangke do boy fit tami lasso ke thek donong paprang pen mas alang litum bangke cheterek long lo.
Several reports of wild elephants encroaching the human residential sites under Bakajan subdivision had been pouring in since the last few years. This had consequently resulted in displacing their residential house. Many had lost their agricultural land, farms, etc. But till date, no any preventive measures could be seen initiated by the concerned authority, nor any compensation was given to the victims to recover their loss and restart their lives.
Nangan laso habar la kapre habar lang tame phalang nolo. Stame pini ani same sarkar tumpen lahaya hem ki phalang no hormu ki phalang no anam forest tumpen mate department tumpen sarkar tumpen pini ani an tame lahai ke na hok amune tumpen noja ke er mate sikkai site long la kopia polone labang ke chini ne derlo la sarkar tumto kam ke claim ke derlo ne mate la forest department to kam claim ke derne.
Ananderang's report from Bakajan for Kuligaon Live.